Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today it's the fitting of the carbon fibre ILR Carbon bits for my bumper. I'm going to show you how I can do this. The only tools I think you're going to need for the rears, which is where I'm going to start first of all, is some masking tape and a very fine trim tool. You can see it's got a very sharp points at the end of it. That's the one I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you how to do it where you don't ruin your paintwork. First of all, I want to say thank you to our sponsors for today. ILR Carbon are a carbon manufacturer for mainly Audi. Go check them out on the link that I put in the description below. So ILR Carbon are my new sponsor. They have kindly sent me my first gift. These are just stunning. The carbon is basically matching perfectly. That is beautiful. That standard black plastic is coming out because that is nasty. That is going to be a beautiful touch. I've got a hairdryer, obviously not mine, this is my missus. So what I suggest you do is slide in some pieces of paper up and behind the vent, so when you're pulling it off it's digging into the paper and not into the paint, because you don't want to take any of the edge of the paint off around the edges. Right, so the best way to do this, I reckon, is to just ease it. There's a bit of tape at the bottom, you just got to ease that bit off. Get a finger underneath at least. But what I don't want to do is mark this paint, so I've got to make sure that card stays in place. There we go, I can feel a bit popping. And just making sure that that card is still behind that. The last thing you want to do is mark the paint here. There we go. Perfect. No markings. And just 2 pieces of sticky tape, or 3M, and that's the back. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is just clean all this up and get it prepared, ready to put the new one on. Okay, so the back of the new one, which is going to fit perfectly into there, actually fits exactly as it should. I'm just going to put some more 3M just on these pieces here, because I do feel that, yeah, this will stick, but I want to make sure that this is not going to get any water under there or something. They did advise me to use some maybe like Tiger Seal or some other kind of liquid glue type adhesive, but I'm just going to use this because I just don't want it to be permanently fixed in case I do sell the car at one point. I'm not letting it go with these. I've just put it around this edge as well, so that will then just push this a lot more together to the car, but that fits absolutely perfectly. Taking the backing off of this tape, and then you heat it up nicely, get it lovely and warm, and also the area that you're putting it on as well. I've cleaned that area up already. I've used Obliterate, which is a tar and glue remover from Auto Finesse. That's what I've always used for all the glue to remove from any part of the car. It seems to be the best thing. Okay, took the backing off, now I'm going to heat it up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off.
Before I go, I have a coupon code for this Small Bits package. Now, it's only limited to the first 20 people who put this coupon code in the website. So I'm going to put a link in the description below of the link for this package, but then you need to add this code, this coupon code, R44PPY, to the place on the website that asks obviously for a discount or a coupon code. Only valid for my first 20 people who purchase this off the ILR website. That's it. So please like, please subscribe, and look out for the next video coming up where I'm going to fit the front pieces into the front bumper, and fingers crossed that goes very smoothly. Good luck. Over and out.